Today I will show you how to earn 10% profit using Ethereum arbitrage on the Bitokx exchange. As you can see, the Ethereum exchange rate on this exchange is much higher than on other exchanges such as Binance. First, we need to fund our Ethereum account. For this, click to deposit. Select your Ethereum wallet, copy it, and go to the exchange for replenishment. I'll start with 6 Ethereum. You can enter any amount. A few minutes passed and the money came to the balance. Now we are moving into trading to sell it all. Select Ethereum, enter the entire amount, and click sell. Now we have the sum in USDT. Let's go to the wallet and withdraw it. Click on withdraw, select Tether. Go to Binance to copy your USDT address. Insert your address. Enter the entire amount for withdrawal. Please note that the commission of the Bitokx exchange. Click withdraw now and wait for the confirmation of the transaction in the blockchain. As you can see, in such an easy way, we earn 10% of the money invested in just one round.